Hi everyone, in front of me I've got my phone N23 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, or even the settings, and tap on this search area. If you've got the keyboard on the screen, simply enter the settings, which should be in this upper panel, and tap on the languages. Here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, I've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So you can scroll and find it, or you can tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language. I will try to find it right here, and tap on the language you want to apply. Choose the region, and right here we've got the keyboard types. Basically the amount of keyboard types depends on the specific language. Sometimes you will have only one, and sometimes even up to 7 different keyboard layouts. So all you have to do is to mark the one you'd like to apply. So let me choose this one, and I don't want to use this option. So after marking, tap on Done. It has been immediately applied, and before I'll show you how to remove the language, so you will be able to apply only one, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So here the first difference is the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So as you can see, after tapping on it, we can switch through the languages. What is more, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using, which is extremely useful, especially in the situation when you've got the keyboard layouts which are really similar in 2 different languages. Alright, so now let me show you how to remove the language. So let's enter the settings, and that was a misclick. The settings, tap on the languages, and right here in this list we have to tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon in the right upper corner, mark the language you want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon, and as you can see we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.